Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while since we've done a video. We had to move shop and everything. Today we are working on a 360 Ferrari. It's a 99, it's a Modena. My buddy's car, he damaged the front bumper on it. And so we're gonna take it off. I've never taken a bumper off a 99 Ferrari. The cool thing about this Ferrari, it's the first year 360, and it's a manual gated 6-speed, which is my favorite. He won't let me drive it, but apparently he's driving my Lambo, so it hopefully doesn't crack the bumper on the car. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop the under tray. I don't recommend doing this on the ground. You'll hate yourself, but it's worth a try. Let's go ahead and give this a whirl. It's got a bunch of screws down here. I'm assuming these guys are gonna drop this tray for sure. It's the first time I've ever done this, so it's held on by screws and oh, and there he is. Make sure we know where those go. These are held on by 10s and screws. It looks like the screws are in the front, 10s are in the backs. It's like with big washers, so they're not too hard to pull out. Okay. I got it. You got it? Got it. We have to take the wheels off. So. They're pretty light. Alrighty. One side down. Alrighty. So it looks like there's a screw right here. Can you see in here?
Give me 1 second.
You see these screws? They're like a screw with a washer. These are what's supposed to be on there, Dave. These are what they're supposed to be like.
Yeah, not the 10s.
Yeah. I think what we'll do is we'll take these off and we'll put these screws back on, yeah?
Yeah.
On the ones that we can so we don't lose them. The cool thing is it's only got half shield looking
yeah.
fender liner. Yeah. The conventional car is the whole damn thing, you know? Okay. I mean, if you guys are taking this bumper off at home and are afraid of like where all the screws and shit's gonna go, just take a bag and mark everything. It'll be a lot easier. Okay. Here's the front liner. You need a 10 there?
Yeah, just one.
Just 1 10? See, that's not supposed to be there. Maybe we can go to the parts store and get another screw just to match it.
Yeah.
Because the other side's all screws and.
Oh, yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah.
Here. Okay. This guy comes out. Look at that. Nice and easy. All the dirt Dave's been picking up on the road. Hey, can you tighten the screws I put on that side back in so they don't fall out? I'm going to put the screw back in this hose. So far, so good. It's been pretty simple. If you get this thing on jack stands at home, you know, I think the hardest thing is going to be get the under tray out for the time being. But
There's nothing on top, huh?
nothing on the top that I know of yet.
What's the, there's a...
It's a 13. Whatever these bolts are. Ah, ones. Doesn't need the room? No. For the light?
Yeah.
Right here. Unplug that guy. Yes, let me grab these two bolts. I think it's from the inside. Okay. Get that. Dave, can you move that wheel?
Yeah.
We're gonna drop this car down a little bit. Pull on the tab a little bit and they'll come out. You just pull on this little tab right here, then we'll slide out. So this is part of the fender, this is the bumper, is loose, so.
Oh.
All right guys, we found some holes. I don't know if you can see it here, Corey. You gotta pop the hood on this thing or the front. Give me a pick. I can't get these rubbers out. These little rubbers gotta come out. And there's a 17 right here. Screwdriver would work too. All right. There's two 17s here. You see it? I can't get to it with this. I got a 17. One 17 with one washer. Huh?
I can feel it.
You feel it?
Yep.
17 here. All right, one more 17 with the washer. Yeah, if we had a short 17, it would be a lot easier, but oh, I've got it, Dave, I got it. All right. Slide this bumper off, Dave. Oh man, look at that. Dang, well, that was super easy. I'm assuming we should probably put the tent nuts back on there so those brackets don't fall off. That was
This is your Ferrari 5-mile-an-hour bumper.
I mean, you know what though? It was pretty easy. So guys, what you should do is these washers and brackets, don't swap them over from each other because I guess one size is different than the other size. I'm putting these bolts back on there so these guys don't fall out. This has got a bunch of shims and stuff. We're gonna go ahead and send this bumper off to paint. Get it painted, and then we're gonna clear bra the damn thing so you don't get this thing screwed up again. And then we're gonna put it all back together. So for now, this is how you remove the bumper off of the 99360 Modena. I think all the way to 07. Not 07. I'm thinking about 430. I'm talking about all the way to 05. This is exactly the same way to remove the bumper. I guess if you really wanted to service the radiators, looks like Dave, you reserviced that radiator on that side before.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
This one, this is the full aluminum one, right?
Yep.
If you really wanted to, we can service this radiator now. This one's plastic, and we can change it while we got this all apart if you wanted to. But you know, it's gonna be probably a week before that gets done, so kind of give yourself an idea. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put the wheels back on the car, so Dave can drive this thing home because I need a lift to do other stuff. And then we'll go ahead and continue with this video. Once we get the bumper back from paint, we'll show you guys how to put the bumper back on, and we'll have all the right correct fasteners then for whatever was incorrect from what we saw. Again, if you got this thing on the, not on the lift, on the ground, it'd probably take you an hour. On the lift, I don't know, 20 minutes. Really super easy to work on this car. Very friendly. Thanks for watching the video. We got one we're making. We're gonna take the Lamborghini steering wheel off. I got an aftermarket Performante steering wheel, full dry carbon. We're gonna go ahead and install it on this car next. So stay tuned for some more videos on some cool stuff.